Welcome to Fluent English with M I Shah to Education Report. Today we talk about reading books and how reading can improve knowledge, focus and personal growth. This report is in slow and easy English for learners around the world. So ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Part 1. Introduction. Books have been an important part of education for many years. People around the world read books to learn new ideas, improve skills, and gain knowledge. Teachers say reading is one of the best habits students can develop. Today, we discuss why reading books matters and how reading helps students succeed. Part 2. Reading improves knowledge. Books contain information, ideas, and experiences. Students can learn about science, history, and language culture, and many other subjects. Through reading, experts say reading helps people understand the world better. Some students read textbooks for school, others read novels, biographies, or educational articles. Every book teaches something valuable. Knowledge gained from reading can help students in school and daily life. Part 3. Reading builds vocabulary and language skill. Reading also improves language skills. Students who read regularly often learn new words and expressions. Experts say reading improves pronunciation. For English learners, reading simple books and articles can increase confidence. Teachers encourage students to read a little every day. Even 15 or 20 minutes of reading can make a difference over time. Part 4. Reading improves focus and concentration. Modern technology creates many distractions. Many students spend hours on social media or entertainment videos. Experts say reading helps improve concentration and attention. When students read books, they focus on ideas and information for longer periods. This habit strengthens the brain and improves thinking skills. Reading also helps students become more patient and disciplined. Part 5. Books and personal growth. Books can inspire people and change lives. Many successful people say reading played an important role in their success. Books can teach motivation, leadership, discipline, and confidence. Reading stories about successful people can encourage students to work harder and follow their dreams. Books also help people understand different cultures and perspectives. This creates empathy and open-minded thinking. Part 6. Digital reading and modern learning. Today, students can read both printed books and digital books. Online libraries and educational websites provide easy access to learning materials. Experts say technology has made reading more convenient. However, students should avoid distractions while reading online focused. Reading is important for understanding information deeply. Teachers encourage students to create regular reading habits, whether using printed or digital books. Part 7. Final message. Reading is a powerful habit. It improves knowledge, language skills, focus, and personal growth. Experts Encourage students to start reading every day. Students do not need to read difficult books at first. Simple books and short articles are good starting points. Small reading habits can create big improvements over time. You have been listening to Education Report. Thank you for joining us today. Continue practicing English over every day and never stop learning. Please like, share and subscribe for more education report videos and easy English lessons. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.